This phone is packed with amazing features, and I'm going to give you 5 solid reasons why you should consider upgrading to it. Before we get started, make sure to check out the link in the description for the best deals on the Galaxy S24. It boasts an absolutely incredible display. With its vibrant colors, deep blacks, and super smooth refresh rate, everything from watching movies to playing games is a visual treat. The screen is also incredibly bright, making it perfect for outdoor use. And let's not forget about the eye comfort features, which reduce strain on your eyes during long viewing sessions. Samsung has outdone itself with the camera system on the S24. The main sensor with 50 megapixels captures stunning detail even in low-light conditions. The telephoto lens brings distant subjects closer without sacrificing quality, and the ultra-wide lens is perfect for capturing breathtaking landscapes. Plus, the new AI-powered features take your photography to the next level with automatic scene optimization and stunning portrait mode. Powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 processor, the Galaxy S24 is a speed demon. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or streaming, this phone handles it all with ease. You won't experience any lag or stutter even when running demanding apps. And with 8 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage, you can store all your favorite content without worrying about running out of space. One of the biggest annoyances with smartphones is a dying battery, but the Galaxy S24 is here to change that with 4000 mAh battery. Thanks to a combination of efficient hardware and software optimizations, you can expect to get through a full day of heavy use without needing to reach for the charger. And when you do need to recharge, the fast charging technology gets you back up and running in no time. It is not just about today's technology, it's also about tomorrow's. With regular software updates and new features being added all the time, you can be confident that your phone will stay relevant for years to come. Plus, Samsung's commitment to sustainability means you can feel good about your purchase knowing that the company is taking steps to minimize its environmental impact. If you're in the market for a new smartphone, I highly recommend checking this phone out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech content. And as always, the link to the best deals on the Galaxy S24 is in the description below. Thanks for watching.